Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your rib lace from this to this. So if you are interested, then definitely keep on watching. So this is what we are working with today. This was as a result of plucking. Okay, I got too carried away whilst plucking the closure, and I ended up getting this ripped lace or torn lace thing. So I decided to show you how I fixed it. Now this is the invisible thread that I use, or transparent thread that I use, and this is how it looks like. I got this from, they call it craft store, but then I got it from where they sell beads. You see those who make beads, where they sell beads? Yes, I got it from there, and this is what they normally use to thread the beads. So this is in the size 0.2, but I told the lady there that I wanted something very thin because I didn't want it to show in my lace. So I explained it to her, and then she gave me this. So if you're experiencing something like this, you can also go to the craft store and then get you something similar. So this is what we are working with. Yeah, now always make sure that whatever you're working with is in a comfortable position, because you don't want to do something and then your back will be hurting or your arm will be hurting. So always make sure that you're in a comfortable position. So for me, I'm sitting down. I didn't want to create like larger holes, so I used the smallest needle that I could find so that I don't create more holes, creating more rips and tears. So yeah, and then you just go ahead to thread it like you would normally thread any type of thread when you're about to sew. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to get all the hair away from the hole as possible. So I use the tail of a comb, the metallic part. So now that we have everything in place, I'm just going to squeeze it, like hold that place tightly, and then insert my needle. I'm trying to get it as close as possible to the ribbed area. Okay, and then I'm not going to like stretch it out too much, just using the blanket stitch method. I'm just going to just place it so close to the ribbed area and just sew away. So this is the technique that I used, the blanket stitch sewing technique. So yeah, that is, and make sure that you don't pull too tight, because the more you pull too tight, you're going to create that ripple effect, and you don't want that. You want the lace to still look straight. Okay, because if you pull, you might create some sort of tension and ripples and wrinkles, and that you don't want that. So just sew closely to where you have the rip, and then using the blanket stitch method, you sew as close to the rip area. And then yeah, that is basically how I did it. But don't log out of the video yet. Stay. I'm going to show you something else that I did to camouflage the transparent thread. So don't log out yet. So this is what we have after doing everything. So here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just tie it and then cut it. I'm going to tie the remaining thread and then create a knot. So yeah, I'm going to create a knot basically. So I just tie this, I think twice or 3 times, just to secure, give it some extra security. Yeah, and after that you'd want to just cut it. So this is how it's looking like, and then this is how the outside part is looking like. You can't see the ribbed area, and I don't think you can see the thread as well. I mean, look at it, look at that. So I had two ripped areas, so I had to do that to both the ripped area. So this is basically what we have looking. This is basically what we have now. Don't log out here too. I'm still going to show you something extra I did. So can you spot it? I'm not sure you can. You can't see it. And when this is on your head, nobody's going to see it too. Okay, nobody's going to see it when it's on your head. So what I did next was I used a foundation powder or a finishing powder to conceal it a bit more. So you're going to see the difference between the concealed transparent thread and the white one. See, one looks like a bit skin-like than the other. Yeah, that's the trick that I use to make it less visible on the lace. Even if you don't see it, you're going to make sure you don't even see it at all. So yeah, that is it. So yeah, that is what we have looking. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how the finished wig looks like in a bit. So yeah, this is what we have now. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you're going to give it a try, or if you have other techniques that you use to fix your ripped or torn lace, let me know in the comment section below so that we can all learn together. Okay, and this is the final wig. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment under this video. I'll see you pretty soon in my next video. Bye bye.